do that. This is Frela from Any House Cleaning and Carlos. I already talked about this, okay? And we are putting some chlorine inside the sprayer. I don't want to use my carpet, my inline sprayer. In this occasion, I'm using another method. And I'm gonna pre-treat the tile. More. Okay, so what I have inside this jar is water with chlorine. It's not pure. He is gonna, let's see. Great. I'm using an empty bottle. I like this kind of bottle because you're gonna put the hose, the garden hose here, and then it's gonna spray. Yep. Ok, papi, ven. Esta línea que dice off, ¿dónde está? Muévela. Perdón, ahorita. Ya, está bien, clean, perfecto. Ok, ciérralo por un costado. A un costado nada más, papito. Abre. No, espera. Ya, ven aquí. So, the chlorine or the mildew cleaner is gonna mix with water. Ajá. Y anda. Ajá, muy bien, papi. Yo te voy a ayudar. We have to work fast because it's gonna rain soon. I bring my scrubber. This is the scrubber that I'm using. With this kind of brush. Muy bien. Wet, really good. Carlos is taking out all the grass. The owner of this house, they are a couple. They are seniors and they cannot do that. And they're really nice people. Carlos was telling me, they don't pay us for doing this. But I said, no, you should do it. It's our job.
I don't say nothing.
It's a tedious job, man. But we can do it for them. They are really nice people. For real. A dinosaur. No mueva. No se ve. Ay, pobrecito. Qué raro, ¿por qué no se ve?
¿Cómo dice cola en inglés?
Came really good. Carlos is taking out the scrubber. Okay, now I told Carlos that because the chairs are rusty on the bottom part, put at least some tape for now until the owner buys some caps or some protections. Make me crazy to see the rust that is damaged this beautiful patio. We're almost done. We're waiting to dry the concrobium product, and he's putting some tape. Let me see if I can zoom. He put some tapes on the bottom of the legs. That's a slappy solution, but I don't have any other idea how to help for now. It's black, it's horrible. It's rusty. It's damaging all this beautiful tile. So I already told the owner I'm gonna do this. In the meantime, she found some plastic covers or something like that. Your iPhone record better than my phone.
My iPhone is beautiful.
Do you see horrible? It leaks that black thing, and it will stain again on my floor.
Ay, joder.
Sí, gotea por todos lados, es horrible.